Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this green polygon that is sitting on this grid line, as you can see in this diagram. And now I am going to show you an easy way to calculate the area of this green polygon. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And now we can see that we have not been given any kind of measurement about this green polygon. Therefore, we are going to think outside the box. Before we proceed any further, let's talk about the lattice points. As you can see, these black dots, these are all called lattice points. So therefore, these lattice points are just the intersection of these grid lines. And now let's recall Pick's theorem. According to this theorem, the area of a polygon whose vertices are lattice points, as you can see over here, all of these are lattice points. Therefore, we are going to use this formula. Area of this polygon is going to be equal to b divided by 2 plus I minus 1. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and count the number of lattice points on the boundary line. Let's start off from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So therefore, our b equals to 9. And now let's go ahead and count the interior points inside the polygon. We can see we have just got 2 interior points, as you can see. So therefore, our I is going to be equal to 2. Now let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So the area of this green polygon is going to be b is 9 divided by 2 plus I is 2 minus 1. 9 divided by 2 is same as 4.5, and 2 minus 1 is simply 1. So therefore, our area is going to be 5.5 square units. So thus the area of this green polygon turns out to be 5.5 square units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.